Good morning, 8th grade. How are you all this morning? Hope you're ready for a fun day or an easy day. You should have your math quiz 2, be like lesson 10, and I'll just brush you up just a little bit on your quiz, and then I will check lesson 9. So I'll do the review first, and if you have not got lesson 9 completed, you go complete it now. 3 of you have texted me how many you got wrong on the other lesson. I'm still waiting on the rest of you. So I hope to get a text. Let's see. Out of 14 students, I still need 11 of you to text me your number wrong from yesterday. So this part here was a little bit tricky on quiz 1. Some of you missed it. So I'm going to just give you a quick update. If you have the sign, if you want to know the sign, there you go, if I say it right, you put the opposite leg on top and the hypotenuse on the bottom. Okay, I don't know how to drill that any harder more than your hypotenuse is the long part. Is your longest part of the triangle. The cosine, you'll put the adjacent leg on top and the hypotenuse on the bottom again. Okay, for the sine and cosine, there's very little difference. You always put the hypotenuse on the bottom, and you put the one leg on top and the other leg on top. Okay, so you need to just choose which one is which. I'll let you figure that out, okay? If you don't know, go back and brush it up, because this is test material. And then for your tangent, you take your 2 legs, okay? Put the adjacent one on the bottom, opposite on top. I abbreviated everything here, so please don't take it too serious. So let me back up here. Do like this. What do you put on for the sign? If you can't tell me these without me giving you information, then you're not ready for tests. This should automatically know. What's the top one? Yeah, that's right. And the bottom one? Got it. Okay, for the cosine. What's the top one for the cosine? That's right. And the bottom one? You got it. All right. Tangent. The top one on the tangent is? No. Oh, yeah. Oh, got it. And the bottom one for the tangent is? Yeah, you got it. Ready. You're ready for test. You'll need to know how to solve just a couple of those where you find your algebra problems where you have your y and x. You need to do a couple of square roots. One little story problem. Significant numbers. You have some significant numbers. You will also need to know how to find your principal, your interest rate. You have a box like that, and yeah, you have the ratios also. You know how that once you have figured out your ratios here, then you have to you look back at your chart to figure the degrees. Okay, you have to be familiar with that. You have to know that. Now, they do give you a degree chart. They give you a chart here, so you can just look here on your test. You don't have to go back in your book to find the answers. Yeah, you study well, do good, and yeah, I'll give you extra recess time. How you like that? Okay, time to check lesson 9. We did in the graphs. We did the first one, so I will start with, in lesson 9, I will start with the second page on page 37 for your answers. Okay, go to 38. Okay, how do you like the lighting here? Did you notice there's a difference in lighting this morning? I have changed my studio. This is becoming a real studio, so I'm trying to make it so the board doesn't glare. Here we go. I'm ready for 39. And let me just point out this here. If you miss this section, you don't understand how to do that, you will need to know that as well as here. And the last page, right here we go. You got one more graph there on the bottom. And yeah, I think that's it. If you make 100 on today's lesson, I'll assure you that you'll have no problem when it comes to quiz today. So have a good one.